Hello guys. Welcome to Superviral Reviews. Today we are going to talk about MinuteKit. What is MinuteKit? Hosted websites with entire product funnels and ongoing affiliate sales from JVZoo, Warrior Plus and Clickbank using our traffic. World's fastest website collection ready in under 1 minute. Your MinuteKit pack includes Traffic Warrior website, cloud-hosted lead and product funnel. Affiliate Wisdom website, cloud-hosted lead and product funnel. Startup Survival Kit website, hosted lead and product funnel. Launch Rocket website, cloud-hosted lead and product funnel. Copy Cash Cow website, cloud-hosted lead and product funnel. Fish Method website, cloud-hosted lead and product funnel. Social Media Superstar website, hosted lead and product funnel. 100% commissions on $9.97, $22, $27 and $47 products in your funnels. Ongoing commissions, managed JVZoo, W Plus and Clickbank promos. No limits. Add unlimited subscribers and customers on all 7 websites. Easy setup. Live in under 1 minute even if you're totally new to this. Optional integrations, connectors, bots, scripts, webinars and more. Bonus funnels, pick 2 new funnels every month, no charge. Bonus builder, drag and drop our templates to make custom funnels. Access today for only $26.48. This system allowed Robert to get his first sales after 7 years of trying and complete beginners. Like Sam and Mod overjoyed to see surprises like these. MinuteKit gives you 7 websites each with lead capture page, with hosted and automated autoresponder. Confirmation page, for an excellent subscriber experience. Download page, delivering your high-quality gift. Bridging, offer page, offering a matched $9.97 upgrade. One-time offer, upsell page, encouraging a $27 upgrade. Downsell page, presenting a discounted offer for $22. Second upsell page, more value and more profits at $47. Welcome page, thanking your customer, sharing what's next. Members download area, automatically delivering products. Live in under 1 minute. But it gets even better. Your cloud-hosted website collection also includes all products created for you, all pages written and designed for you, all emails written and queued for you, automated and ready to use in under 1 minute. 7 complete websites, capturing leads, filled with products and completely automated. Packed with products, sell perfectly tailored $9.97, $22, $27 and $47 products in your funnels. Ongoing commissions, managed JVZoo, W Plus and Clickbank promos well after that first lead arrives. No limits. Add unlimited subscribers and customers on all 7 websites, and even have them sharing too. Your websites are ready, as they are. But if you want more, you've got it. Here are just some of the optional, additional features. Autoresponder integration. Add your own scripts. Use your own domain name. Track clicks and conversions. And more. Watch the demo video below. So if you like this tool, the link is given in the description below, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.